So we do take care of radiator repair here. We take care of cooling system repair. We take care of thermostat and gasket repair and replacement. When I think of radiator repair, I need to back up one level and talk about your cooling system. So the radiator on your vehicle should last many, many years, maybe 8, 10, 12 years, as long as you're using good high quality coolant and you're changing that out. But over time, these new radiators have a plastic upper tank and a plastic lower tank, and over time that plastic breaks down and it starts to crack. And those upper tank and lower tanks have a rubber seal connected to the radiator that breaks down over time and it releases some coolant. So we want to make sure that when your vehicle's in the shop, let's inspect the radiator, let's inspect your hoses, let's inspect the thermostat and gasket. Once the coolant is out of your system, that's the time to take care of these other components so you don't have to pay labor a second time or drain and refill the coolant a second time. If you need any coolant repair, radiator repair, think of us here at A+ Japanese Auto Repair.